Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay students, so take care of yourself, take care of your family members also. And students, I want to congratulate you because all of you doing your homework regularly and sending on homework group. So students, it's very good. Every day watch all videos carefully, do your homework regularly and don't forget to send on homework group. Okay students? So students, what did we learn in last week? Yes, in last week we have seen how to do addition. So students, in second standard also we have seen how to do addition and subtraction. Correct? So what is mean by addition? Addition means to bring together. We have seen how to do addition. So addition means bring together. For example, see, how many sketch pens are there? Can you count? Correct. There are 4 sketch pens. If we add 2 sketch pens, see, these are 2 sketch pens. If we add means what? To bring together. Okay. Now, how many sketch pens I have? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sketch pens I have now. Correct? Means addition means to bring together. So students, when we add something, that time number increase. Okay? Means 4 sketch pens now become 6 sketch pens. Correct? So when we add numbers in another number, the number increases. Okay? Same way, see here there are total 6 sketch pens, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I remove 2 sketch pens, I have removed 2 sketch pens. Then how many sketch pens left? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sketch pens are there, correct? So, when we remove numbers from other number, okay, that time the number reduces. The number reduces that time. So, this is called a subtraction. So, what is meant by subtraction? To remove or to take away. Okay. So, today we are going to learn how to do subtraction. So, students, are you ready? Very good. We will see some examples of subtraction. So, students, we will start from 1 digit. Okay, students, you have already learned in second standard. But now we will take revision and we will start from 1 digit number. So can you tell me 1 digit number? Which are the 1 digit number? Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are 1 digit numbers. So I will write here some examples. 9 minus 3. So this is called minus sign. What is this? Minus sign. Minus means what? Subtraction. To take away. To remove. Okay. So 9 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 8 minus 3. So these are some examples. So students, see, first example is 9 minus 3. So there are 2 methods of subtraction. The first method is 9 minus 3 means we have to remove 3 from 9. So just draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. And minus 3. So cut 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Now just count remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the answer? 6. This is the first method. Okay, by drawing lines. But it takes time. So I will tell you the easy one. See, 9 minus 3. So just start counting from 3 to 9. Smaller number to bigger number. 3 to 9. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Correct? How many fingers? 6 fingers. So answer will be same. So these are 2 methods of subtraction. Okay. Now see, 4. What is the answer? 4. Or another method is count forward from 2 to 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Answer is 4. 5 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut this one line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again answer is 4. Or you can count forward from 1 to 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 fingers. 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. How many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Then count forward from 3 to 8. Means 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5 fingers. Okay students. So by these two methods we can subtract numbers. So these are one digit number. Okay. Now we will see how to subtract two digit numbers. So students, see here. These are one digit, means this is the unit place. So the first step is only. So we have to subtract units from units. So students, now we will see how to do subtraction of two digit numbers. So in two digit numbers there are two places, unit place and tens place. Can you see here? There are two places, unit and tens. So the first step is first subtraction of units from units, means 3 minus 1. And second step is tens from tens, means 2 minus 1. Okay students, so let's start from unit place. First is 3 units minus 1 unit, means 1, 2, 3. From 3 lines cut 1 line, so remain 2 lines. So 3 minus 1, 2. And now tens place, 2 tens minus 1. 2 tens minus 1. So answer is 1. So 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. See the second example. 46 minus 23. So first subtraction of unit places, means 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Just count how many left. 1, 2, 3. So write down 3 here. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So 2 lines remain. So answer is 23. So students, you can solve this by two methods, by drawing lines or by counting forward. So how to count forward? 6 minus 3, correct? So from 3 to 6 you have to count numbers. From 3, just count it. 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3 fingers, and that's why answer is 3. Or 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. In this way you can do. Or from 2 to 4 count forward. Means after 2, 3 and 4. 2 fingers. So here you have to write 2. So students, 46 minus 23 is equal to 23. Next is 89 minus 57. So first unit place, 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines we remove. So 2 lines remain. So answer is 2. And 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of the 8 lines, 5 lines remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 lines remain. So 9 minus 7. So by another method, how to do? From 7 to 9 you have to count numbers. From 7, 8 and 9. So answer is 2. And 8 minus 5. Start from 8. 6, 6, 7 and 8. How many fingers? 3 fingers. Okay. So same way solve here. 9 minus 7. After 7, 8 and 9. Here also 9 minus 7, same it is 2. So student, in this way we have to subtract 2 digits number. Just remember, first we have to do subtraction of digits at unit place, and then we have to do subtraction of digits at tens place. So unit from units and tens from tens. In this way we have to solve subtraction. Okay students, did you understand how to solve? Students, about today's homework, I will give you some examples of subtraction. Some examples are of 1 digit and some examples are of 2 digits number. So solve these examples and do subtraction. Okay students, thank you.